Unlock your financial clarity by mastering how to download your Tide bank statement, a vital step for seamless business record-keeping. First things first, open the Tide app on your smartphone. You'll need to log in securely. Use your usual credentials, whether that's your password, fingerprint, or Face ID, to get into your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate and tap on the Account tab. This is usually found at the bottom of your screen. This section houses all your account information and settings. Within the Account section, you'll see several options. Look for and select Statements. This is where you'll find your transaction history, ready to be downloaded. Now, you'll see a list of your available bank statements, typically organized by month or date range. Browse through them and tap on the statement you wish to download. You might have the option to select a specific month or a custom date range, depending on your needs. After selecting your desired statement, you'll see a download button or icon. Tap on this to initiate the download process. The statement will usually be downloaded as a PDF file. Your downloaded statement will be saved to your device's default download location. You can then easily access it to review your transactions, use it for accounting purposes, or save it for your financial records. And there you have it. Downloading your Tide bank statement is a quick and straightforward process that ensures your business finances are always organized and accessible. Keep these statements handy for peace of mind and efficient financial management. For more essential business banking tips, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Happy record keeping!